built different. Dang, that was a good pass.
Salute when you see me. That jealousy is an ocean and you either float or you sinking. Moment of truth, credit check, you not approved. BB King, I'm in love with the blues. Don't start me up, I got finishing moves. Look.
Welcome back, Commander.
My breakfast on yesterday, and the food I didn't eat obviously are leftovers, so I put them in the containers, and so they're refrigerated. Just took them out the refrigerator. I'm gonna put them in the toaster oven, and then I'm gonna wash these dishes. Legos that I built. I'm still a Lego kid at heart. I went to the Lego store, I think it was the end of November or the beginning of December. I think it was the beginning of December. And with some friends, and got some two Lego sets. I got this Star Wars set right here, and then got this Avatar set. Avatar 2 is a really great film, by the way. I watched it with my brother before we parted ways after Christmas, and so we watched it together. It's a really great film. It's crazy how it took them years to build Lego sets. So the Avatar Lego sets, I remember McDonald's had some toys that came with the Happy Meal, so pretty cool and surreal. The film is great, like I said. And usually when I eat my breakfast, sometimes I watch YouTube videos, or sometimes I just write in my notebook, prayer journal. But yeah, make my lunch. I always meal prep. Usually it's on Sundays is where I meal prep for the whole week. Like I said earlier, to get this bread at 4 p.m. all the way to 2:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm just chilling now. It's weird because this set is supposed to rain at at 1 o'clock. It's already 2:13 and it's not raining outside, so I could have probably still skated, but I didn't want to take that risk to go drive and then waste the gas. So, but then I wouldn't be tripping anyways because my car is an EcoBoost. It saves on gas anyway. So this is the team that I run the page for, White Hole Basketball. I'm all the way in Michigan and I still run the page. I created the page. I'm definitely one of the faces that's helped with the media and stuff like that for this team. And so I'm gonna go ahead and make the score graphic ahead of time for the game that's this Friday. And so I post the score, and I post like the stats of the players, and I post a flyer of the games on game day as well. So yeah, good game. It's the next day, January 12th, 2023. It's gloomy outside. Well, I would say cloudy, not gloomy. It's cloudy outside. I threw my waffles in the toaster. So I'll eat my waffles. And obviously make my lunch for work. I'm gonna eat my breakfast, watch some YouTube, and pay some bills. Let's get it. He was sitting there in that orange ball cap. God bless him.
I'm gonna take a video of you today, okay?
Alright.
You okay with that?
Yes, Man, we back right. We back right. We back right, people. We back right. Know what I'm saying? went to the movies. And the movie Plane, I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. I've seen a lot of good reviews on it when I was on Twitter. And I've seen a few bad ones. Like, some people didn't like it, but the film were great. Like, really, really great. So, yeah, that's another film recommendation that I highly recommend for sure. I remember, like, it was, like, a point where y'all was, like, when we were able to, like, submit the form about our dreams and stuff. And then I remember I wanted to be a professional skateboarder and an IT engineer. And it actually came to life. I actually turned myself pro last year. Because I'm really good. I've been skating for a long time. I've been skating for like 12 years. I sponsor some other skateboarders too, but my brand's called 1004 Skateboards, and I'm also an IT engineer too. So.
Man, that's crazy. So who do you skate for?
I actually have my own brand, like I said, 1004 Skateboards. I also have a partnership with Millions. So like that's another gig where I can make money from. They help with athletes. I have an agent and everything. I can make additional gear, which I do have. I just haven't showcased it yet, but I will, since now that I've finally got settled in Michigan, because I actually moved here. I've been here for like 7 months now.
I-96 East.
Yeah, Batman out of London with a seal on it. Pockets and my stomach getting bigger, real simple. I'm an ex-pill dealer, Hades heel figure, yeah. You gon' talk me to death, you gon' cop a hot boxing in a form with thoughts, they top notch before I let it ride with me. Don't touch the door, handles on this, they pop out. Can't you get money, no Carters, they not proud. My boys say you think they just be watching, who not hot, who not moving the bag, who not used to this cash. I just woke up on my sleep and spilled the deuce in the hat. Spill the truth, so don't ask me. Never seen it, heard about them, dope face gas. Ever seen a so fine, need that beat. No, I get it early, you look like me last week. Rich, I come through, don't harass me, keep it nasty. Why the hell you wish she eyeing me? She yelling past me. How do you pretend your highness? You know I slammed her. That ain't my life in a movie, go buy a camera.
Wasn't that good? Caught about wine. Yeah, at least I was good to you.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take exit 213B for I-96 East.